Hello children, I hope you all are fine. So children, today I am here with the subject English Reader, and in English Reader our topic is ED and EG family. Firstly, we'll start with the ED family. So take out your English Reader book and open page number 2727. First take a look in ED family. Firstly, we'll start with the phonic words. So let's get started. BED bed, RED red, FED fed, LED led, WED wed, NED ned, TED ted. The sight words WERE where, BUT but. These are sight words. Now we will read the first paragraph. Ned was in bed. NED Ned, WAS was, IN BED bed. Ned was in bed. TH the BED bed, WAS was, RED red. The bed was red. NED Ned, WAS was, FED fed, IN BED bed. Ned was fed in bed. TED Ted, WAS was, IN BED bed, TOO2. Ted was in bed too. TED Ted, AND and NED Ned, WERE where, IN BED bed. Ted and Ned were in bed. So children, here you can see that he is Ned and Ned was in bed. Where is Ned? Ned was in bed. And the bed was red. What is the color of bed? The color of the bed is red. And Ned was fed in bed. Ted was in bed too. He is Ted and Ted was in bed too. Ted and Ned, they are both in bed. Ted and Ned, they both are in bed. The second paragraph. TED Ted, WS was, WED wed. Ted was wed. BUT but, NED Ned, WS was, IN BED bed. But Ned was in bed. NED Ned, WS was, LED led. TO2 SEEC TED Ted. Ned was led to see Ted. Ted was wed. Here you can see Ted was wed. But Ned was in bed. But Ned was in bed. Ted was wed. Ted was wed. But Ned was in bed. Ned was led to see Ted. Ned was led to see Ted. So children, the common thing in this chapter is every words and sentences ends with ed and the sounds comes is ed. So this is about ed family. Now we will learn about eg family words. Now you have to open page number 2929. The phonic words EGG egg, PEG peg, LEG leg, BEG beg. Sight words. Sight words is a common term in reading that has variety of meanings. ARER, ALL all, FELL fill, OUT out, WHERE where, EVEN even, IF if. These are sight words. Now we will read the first paragraph. I like EGGS X. I like X. ALL all, TH the EGGS X. ARER IN a BAG bag. All the eggs are in a bag. THE the BAG bag. IS is ON on. THE the PEG peg. The bag is on the peg. A WEB web. IS is UNDER under. THE the PEG peg. A web is under the peg. I like eggs and all the eggs are in a bag. All the eggs, here you can see all the eggs are in a bag. And the bag is on the peg. The bag is on the peg. Peg means a short pin or bolt that is used for securing something in place. Here this is called peg. The bag is on the peg. A web is under the peg. It is web. A web is under the peg. The other paragraph. THE the EGGS X, FELL fill, OUT out. The X fell out. THEY they, FELL fill, ON on. THE the WEB web. They fall on the web. WHERE where, ARER THE the, EGGS eggs. Where are the eggs? NO EGGS eggs, EVEN even, IF if, YOUUBEG beg. No eggs even if you beg. Here you can see the eggs fell out and they fell on the web. They fell on the web. Where are the eggs? But where are the eggs? No eggs, even if you beg. Why there are no eggs? Because the eggs fell out and the eggs are broken. So there is no eggs. So no eggs even if you beg. So common thing in this chapter is every words and sentences ends with EG. The sounds comes is egg. So that is all about ED and EG family words. Now children, what you have to do is you have to read this chapter again and again, and you have to learn all the phonic words with their spelling which is given in this exercise, and also go through all the PDFs which is found in the Google Classroom. Do all the written work and try to learn it. Till then, take care. Have a good day. Bye.